we'll guide you through how to find add-ons for Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you're in Blender, head over to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down, select Preferences. A new window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a tab on the left called Add-ons. Click on that. Here is where you can manage all your Blender add-ons. Blender comes with a wide range of built-in add-ons that you can enable or disable with just a checkmark. But what if you want to find new ones? You need to click the Install button at the top right of this window. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to where you have downloaded new add-on files. These are usually in a .zip format. Select the .zip file for the add-on you want to install and click Install Add-on. Once installed, the add-on will appear in the list and you can enable it by checking the box next to its name. If you want to explore even more add-ons, you can visit online Blender communities like Blender Market or Gumroad, where artists and developers share their work. Download the add-on files from there, and you can install them using the same steps. Remember to always download from trusted sources to keep your system safe. Once you've installed and activated an add-on, you may need to restart Blender for it to fully integrate. Now you're all set to enhance your Blender experience with the power of add-ons. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.